Alright, we're gonna do some trash crushing today. Strap up the old can crusher here. Yeah. Goes nice and loose. I don't want them to bind up. Yeah, buddy. Trying to think how I do this. Okay. One thing I need to do is implement a better system for putting this thing down. One thing I also do remember is this thing has to be, well, at least it's not totally freaking heavy. I'd raise up the boom. So we get our bolts out of the way here. I'm still waiting for this thing to snap, or the bolts to snap. They haven't done so yet. Yeah, well, screw it. These are just really to hold it from falling off the top as much anything else. Okay, so we take this guy, put it up here like this, get him in there so he's laying level on the lift. And it's about level with the boom. Okay. Alright, now I need to bring the boom in. See how tight of a fit that thing is. I wanted it that way though, because I didn't want it to move too much. Oh, that was perfect. Couldn't ask for any better. Alright, put our pins, our bolts. So that cable's out of the way. A little bit of grease helps everything. Put our two nuts there. Ooh, oh, that one's kind of already gunked up. I got bigger ones, or bigger bolts for this to use now. Yeah, I can't thread that anymore. Okay, there we go. Let's back it off a little bit and then threads. I think I just caught some crap in that grease. Okay, that's good enough. Alrighty. So we got the crusher hooked up. Now let's go see our favorite trash can. She's beautiful. As beautiful as she gets. Ooh, a little bit of grease there. Hey, you know what? This is how we do with grease here in this yard. Good dirt. Makes it all go away. Dirt starts to coat the glove, then we got rid of all the grease. Slightly, most of it. Okay, PTO stays engaged. Carefully roll out. Drop the stern wheel down so it's at my comfort level. gotta watch when I'm turning here. Don't hit any of our tow trucks. Got this thing sticking off the back of the truck. Let me say that I had way too much time on my hands. Yeah, I know. I don't have a lot of time on my hands, but I got really creative because I wanted to make something that would do this. Years ago, I took a trash can, stuck a chain in it for an anchor point, and filled it full of concrete and turned it into a wrecking can. And I would hoist it up by the cable and then just cut the release on the cable and dump it down onto the can, which worked, but it was a lot of wear onto my truck, so I wasn't trying to do that no more. Simple and effective. One thing I did learn though, that if we do this, or if I do this, you need to support the can other than the wheels. You can see that wheel right there isn't doing so well. So for that reason, we're to hold the can up and support it by the actual can itself. And the ooh, okay, we're there and there. Let's see how we are on this side. We're good on this side. Okay, so we'll take our L arms, go underneath it. Further out the better. Yeah, let's go in one. Go in one click. There we go. Same thing on this side. Need to get a new one of these. That one's done. Apparently the trash truck has done more damage to this can. That's why it's got a busted wheel and it's torn up on the back end. I guess in too many times to kind of force it down and get it off the truck. That's what I'm assuming. Okay, so now we take the chain, wrap it through there like that. Make sure that gets tightened up. Gets as tight as I can get it there. Same thing on this side. I have to take that one out, put one more link in there. What happens when you have a lot of trash and it just doesn't quite fit. Okay, so now we lift up on the vent just like that. That's good enough because that gets it off the ground. Alright, so up we go with this, out we go. Down. Plastic really doesn't help much. The only problem is it does tend to get caught on the freaking bumpers. Oh, we just got to make sure that we shove in. There should still stay in there. I'll just take off the stuff that caught. And we'll go at it again. Right now she's already crushed. I think this one goes that way. Yep, that one goes that way. So there we go there. Look at that. What a big difference that is. Alright. Make sure that bumper stays off there. Let's see if I can get that bumper to crush in with me. we caught a bumper on the backside there. Look at that. Oh, you got more room for more trash. Let's throw some more in there. She somehow wound up going sideways on me. Well, I'm gonna set her down. Throw as much more of this trash as I can in there. Another bumper. I don't like bumpers though. Bumpers suck. They don't crush well. But we just put it as a catch. It'll catch all the other shit. And we'll take all the shit that we can, smaller pieces for that matter. That just reminded me of a time I tried to give that customer had some messed up hubcaps, and I tried to give her some reused ones we had just to be nice. She wound up turning into a total psycho. So let's say I didn't want to give her the hubcaps in the end of it all. I didn't even want to deal with her no more. It wasn't worth the headache. This is how we squeeze more into it. I'm supposed to come pick this thing up tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. I'll come to get it. I'm going to crush as much as I can into it. Can't throw paint in there. This is a pile of trash that got made because we didn't have enough room. Didn't hear the other day, get rid of this stuff, so it all run up here just the way it is. Windshield washer bottle and blade deal. Piece of plastic trim. Okay, so stuff that's long like this, leaving off to the side. Something like this can go in there. Can and won't. Right. Pair of pants. Got pants. Got a wing. There's some kind of car. I don't really care what kind of car it is. There's a wing. Alright. This is like a piece of a Toyota front end. Another wing. Plastic can go right there. hard shit out of the way. I'm getting as much of the small stuff in there as I can. Large stuff can get filtered in, that's easy. It's the small shit, because when there's no room, you can't really get this shit to stay up there. Okay, I say it's ready for another crush. Let's raise her up. Okay, bring her down. About it. That plastic's really putting up a fight. Alright, there we go. We got some more room. We can put some more in there. I think what I want to do is I want to empty this whole box right here out. There's a lot of room on this side of that corner right there. Probably gonna throw these in there, but let me put this box over here. Okay. Seatbelts. I love seatbelts. Stuff like that I'll put last. Busted headlight. Now see, there's our no, that's not the same washer bottle. That's a different one. I was gonna say it's a washer bottle. Horn. They're seatbelt actuators. Sensor. Yeah, I don't know. The video might be getting low on the long side. This is Ford. Some kind of weather stripping or foam paddings. I'm just squeezing as much as I can in there. Getting as much of this as I can in there. That way it's up and out of the way. All the stuff I'm going to save, because I generally take the metal, I'm going to throw over there. So now I'm going to start putting a few of these up here. So right now I just want all the small stuff. So like boxes, they'll go in the cardboard bin over there. That's an airbag. That's a spindle deal. Get some wire out of that. Let's see, here's a piece of metal. Okay. Oh, there's another piece of metal right there. Actually, I can send those sensors in the metal pile. Alright, that's one box down. Alright, what other small crap we got here? Well, we got bumpers and shit. There's a bumper. There's a bumper. There's a piece of metal. There's a small piece of plastic. Another small piece of plastic. Another bumper. Grill. Door panel. I don't think there's going to be much for any more small shit. I think I got most of it already. Take that, lay that across. Alright, let's go ahead and throw the rest of this shit up there. Crush. If she stops, that means the hydraulics bottom out. That means we're done there. Try to get this piece right here into it. So what I'm going to do here is I used to do this with a backhoe back in the days. But we don't have a backhoe here, so I would say it's not going to happen. Alright. Well, that did that did a lot. Door panel will go right here. This will go there like that. Let's see what else we got to play with here. There's large shit there. Hey, we got a gas tank. Yeah, maybe we'll finish it off with a gas tank. My wing. My winged. My wingy. Piece of hose. The thing I hate about bumpers, man, they take up a shit ton of space. Alright, so here's some small pieces right here. I must have got something fiberglassy on me because I'm fucking itching. Yeah, some of these pieces are made with fiberglass. No surprise there. Bumper, bumper, bumper. So this is paper. Can actually go over here into this can. Same thing like this shit here, this cardboard and stuff, can all go into that can. I'll put these boxes into there, and then I'll do the same thing with these. Might as well throw them in there. Okay, what we got going on here? We got seat belt. We got a cover. Just gonna go around and grab the remaining small shit I got here. So I'm gonna end it with a gas tank. We'll see if I get that bad boy in there. Probably gonna be tripping how you got all this shit in there, but it's in there. So let me put these guys up here real quick. I'll probably do one more crush, and then we'll end it with that, with the gas tank topping everything off. Actually, you know what? Let's see here. Let's get that gas tank up there. There we go, because that'll add a nice piece to crush onto. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Gas tank's empty, so I'm not worried about something going on there, but I was kind of worried about that. Great. Okay. Need to restack. The gas tank needs to stay up there. That smells like a little bit of gas. All right, let's get the crusher down on top of this real quick. At least just to hold it. There we go. That was just that piece right there. Look at that. How much flex that plastic shit has. That thing up. All right, that's it. It's the last crush because she is about full. I may, you know. She's full. I'm not crushing anymore on this. Definitely not crushing no more on that. Let me get the rest of this stupid thing up in there. May have to shatter that a little bit. Yeah, we'll get the arm on that. That up for a minute, and we'll put a bunch of this shit up there. Make it fit. Literally, we'll make it fit. All those bumpers go on the next run. mean, I'd like to get them all in the same shot. I'll talk to the guy in the morning to see if he wants to come by and do a second pickup. If I can get him to do a second pickup. Try to see how many of these I can put up there before it's too much. So remember, the guy's got to be able to lift this thing up, get it into his truck. Yeah, that's too much. Alright, let's get that back up there. Let's get that one up there. And these will stay for later. Let's move these tires out of sight. You pay fees on your tires for the trash company to recycle, but yet they don't want to take tires. That's what we wound up doing. So something's gonna wind up happening with them. I just can't publicize it. Sorry. That's how it goes. There we go. I guess rid of our big ace pile, other than the bumpers that are sitting right here and a couple of pieces. That's pretty much it. We'll clean up some of this stuff, and on top of which we'll push our cardboard bin next. That one's easy. Now in there you just put the box up there and it's golden. Just like that. Just like that. Well, that shit must have hit me just in the eye. Alright. So that's it. That's the tow truck crusher. Yeah, big old massive thing up there. Works phenomenally. Hey, you know what? Hey, she's got one more in her. One more. One more, just for good sakes. They got trash trucks that do the same thing. They're called Packers. Alright, so that's it. We undo our chains and our lift, and this can is full. Without the crusher, that would have been a whole nother trash can full of stuff. It's 2 times the amount of bin space in one. Be nice if that wheel wasn't messed up, but it happens. Now we'll just get this sweeped up and done there. Move that bin up out the way, and then we'll compact this cardboard bin down. That way we got room there too. That is the, as I said it already, tow truck can crusher. That chain off here. Do is we're going to pull the bin over here. The trash guy can get to it a little bit easier. If you get it to tip up off that wheel, she goes just fine. There we go. I must have hit something with the other wheel. This is just stopping it. Yep, exactly. Really hit. Just a divot in the ground, really. I just wanted away from my truck. See how close that is? There we go. Alrighty. Now let's get the cardboard mint over here. Yeah, I guess I'll keep the camera going. Make a nice video. Somebody was griping to me the other day, like, if you crush the cardboard in, you have a hard time emptying the bin. Maybe they should empty the bin more often. We won't have to crush it. So, see this one here, I shouldn't need to do the other part. Yeah, there goes that one. That's it, that's good enough. That. These cans, for some god awful reason, like to spin. Not too worried about those gas mirrors because they're all dead. Gas company just doesn't seem to want to take out their shit. So. There we go, it's good there. That's good. And that's it, we're done. Thanks for watching.